This is how to use the DrugSense OraScan Saliva and Surface Drug Test Cassette V5, and how to use the DrugSense OraScan Saliva Drug Test Analyzer in order to deliver fast and accurate results. DrugSense OraScan is an Australian standard AS 4760 2019 verified saliva drug test. The DrugSense OraScan Saliva Drug Test Cassette can detect 6 different drugs, including amphetamines, methamphetamine, cocaine, morphine, oxycodone, and tetrahydrocannabinol. The OraScan cassette comes with 1 collection pad, 1 test device with an integrated buffer. For best results, wipe inside of each cheek as well as along the tongue with the pad tip at an angle. Avoid rubbing the whole pad as it may not collect enough to sample. A small pink dot will appear on the collector to indicate a sufficient sample is collected. Insert the collection pad into the device. Press down and lock until the device double clicks. Lay the device on a flat surface and crush the reagent blister completely. When the liquid sample appears to migrate along both the strips, set a timer for 5 minutes. How to interpret the reading of negative results. A red-colored line must appear in both the control region and the specific test region. Please note that the color intensity and density of the test lines may vary. Any visible line, no matter how faint, indicates a negative result. How to interpret the reading of not negative results. If a red line appears in the control region, but no line appears in the specific drug test region, the result is a presumptive not negative for that drug and will require further testing. Please note this example includes a not negative result for THC and methamphetamines. How to interpret the reading of invalid results. If no line appears in the control region, the test is invalid, regardless of any lines in the test regions. Review the testing procedures and repeat the test using a new device. The DrugSense OraScan reader can also be used to read and store the test results. Log into the OraScan reader, select Saliva Test, and then enter the details of the donor. Scan the OraScan cassette's barcode using the device. Automatically capture the test panel, lot number, and expiry date information. After the saliva sample has been collected, insert the cassette into the reader for a digital analysis of the results. The OraScan reader will interpret the test, display the results on the screen, and store a digital record of the results with a photo of the test. An instant printout is also available.